It is 4 a.m. on February the 28th. I'm going into the shop because I got work to do before I come back and go to the gym. Day before the last day. So gotta knock out a ton of orders. And try to do as much as possible in the space before we are out of the space. So I'm rushing so I can go do a ton of coloring, packaging, and then come back, shower, go to the gym, then come back after the gym, shower, go back to work. So this is a pretty typical routine, especially on gym days where I'll go in before the gym, then after the gym for a regular full work day. Anywho, let's start the vlog. Or I'll probably start it when Nicole is around. She is probably up right now. I'm gonna go say bye to her real quick before I leave. She's usually up super early on her phone or computer. But we're about to head to the gym. I left my real gym shoes somewhere else, and the house is a mess. Yep. About to head to the gym this morning. Got my wig on. Oh yes. A little pump action. Yeah. It's cold outside. It's like 30 degrees. It is. I got a jacket. That was my jacket. Messing up the counter. Bitch, I cool all up. Turn on my light on this side. But you ain't up in real life. What the fuck? Your text messages was loud as hell.
Girl, because I go back and forth in and out of sleep. I was up looking at those tickets last night, but I just wanted to have it for when I get back.
Okay, where you going?
Like when I get back to the site.
Only thing about working out in the super early morning, no lights on in the gym. But it's getting brighter, so let's try to get some good footage.
gym, about to head home. Just got a full total body in, so that was really good. It's definitely great working out with a trainer because we work specific areas and just building our body overall. And then of course it gets your mind ready for the day, so that's awesome. We're just about to head home and get some meals in.
So if you guys want to know more about how we can afford a personal trainer, definitely put it down in the comments if you want to know how we afford a trainer and if we would suggest a trainer if you're working out for a show like we are, or just in general, because our trainer does all of that good stuff, regular workouts, but definitely a lot of prep for professional bodybuilders too, so that's pretty cool. And if you're interested, put it in the comments and we'll make a video about it soon if you would like that.
Yeah, let us know.
I wish it was like Facebook where we made it to work with a minute to spare. Okay. You're moving so fast. This morning's orders. Thank you, Daddy. How long have you been coming to us?
I have been with you ladies for 8 years, 9 in August.
That is crazy. Nee is definitely one of our first clients. She has always come to us, definitely around birthday time.
Always around birthday time.
Always supporting and buying hair. Like today, you bought hair. I really appreciate you. Yes. And we've seen her, she's seen us grow, but we've just seen her grow and mature. And Nicole and I will be like sad. We'll be sad.
I love you guys.
I mean, it is, I don't know. Like, I'm excited about moving, but like never seeing people that we've seen year after year. Like certain clients, I know she gonna come at homecoming. I know you gonna come at birthdays. And we're not gonna have that anymore.
On camera too.
Yes. Oh, I went in for a third one. Yeah, you can hug. I'm a hugger. But anywho, I'm so excited for our journey, but I'm even more excited for yours. Please follow the YouTube because we'll be posting and stuff.
Always.
And then hopefully we'll come back around. We plan on like coming back home to do like little pop-up shops, maybe. Yeah. We'll try to make it around your birthday.
Yes, always. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that.
And have fun in the mountains.
Really want to fucking pump my.
Ooh. And
Drop it at the gas station next to the shop, y'all.
Yeah. You know what? This gas station, I'm gonna miss this parking lot.
No.
This parking lot was notorious for
baby daddy,
baby mama drama. That was a big one. Arguing. Taxes just dropped, so you'll see a lot of dudes with their ladies.
Lock the door.
Every other time of the year, he nowhere to be found, but this month, he right on top of you, sis. Stay woke. Stay woke. Long day today. Yes, hair. This is a dusty, dirty, dingy wig, but it do the job. When I'm in my glow up. Wait for the glow up.
Drop this job.
Yeah, when I'm in my next phase of life,
right,
which is in 2 days,
right,
oh, you're gonna be seeing me laid, baby.
Living my best life.
Living my best life. Nothing but the good wigs.
Much today, but we got a good workout in. Copyright.
We
got a good workout in. We look crazy. About to go home.
Representing Corey, because you know tomorrow is our primary. Gotta go vote. Make sure you vote.
Yeah,
even like when we won't be here during the real election, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my vote in the mail. I got to get my vote in.
Yeah,
love voting. Yeah, I love voting.
We look crazy. All right.
I'm tired of that.
Don't wait.
Wait for the glow up.
Wait for it. I got brand new wigs. We just got some hot.
Oh, I can't wait.
Gotta style them up. Gotta add them to the site. All the new stuff, especially after all the old inventory is gone.
Yes. Ooh, y'all, I'm telling you, girl, my lace gonna be on point. I already know the wig I'm getting. I know the color. I'm gonna look like tax money. Okay.
Right, with no tax money.
With no tax, but I'm gonna look like it.
Right.
I'm gonna look just like it.
Anywho, that's the end of the vlog. What'd you say?
That's the end of the vlog. Bye, y'all.
Bye.